Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Clash Royale on your laptop. Start by installing a reliable Android emulator such as BlueStacks or LD Player and enable virtualization in your BIOS for smoother performance. Next, allocate sufficient CPU and RAM in emulator settings, install Clash Royale from the Play Store, and sign in with your Google account to sync progress. I'll walk you through controls, graphics tweaks, and common setup fixes. Open your emulator and configure input mapping for Clash Royale. Use keyboard keys or a gamepad and map taps to clicks for quick Elixir deployment. Set resolution and DPI to balance visuals and FPS, then enable keyboard shortcuts for chest opening and emotes. Test controls in a friendly battle, adjust sensitivity, and save a profile to avoid redoing mappings after updates or reinstalls. Also enable high performance mode in emulator to reduce input lag and stuttering. To improve gameplay performance, update your GPU drivers and enable virtualization for the emulator. Allocate 2 or more CPU cores and at least 4 GB RAM to the emulator, and enable high frame rate mode when available. Close background apps on your laptop, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for lower latency, and use power settings set to high performance. Monitor temps and tweak settings if you encounter throttling or crashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.